welcome back to my channel.
So I am standing in the Zamindari suite room right now. So there are 5 category of rooms over here. Basic one being the classic heritage room, the next one being the Motumbari which has a pond view, the third category is the Zamindari suite where I am standing right now, and the fourth category is the royal suite, and the fifth category is the duck bungalow rooms where even pets are allowed. So it's a pet friendly zone. And today I will be covering the Zamindari suite as well as the basic category, which is the classic heritage rooms. So first, let me show you guys the basic category room. After that, we will show you the Zamindari suite. And both the rooms are very nice. It's very clean. And so without talking much, let's straight away go at first. Let me show you the basic category room, which is the classic heritage.
This is classic heritage room, guys. So as you guys can see, it has a touch of Bangaliana in everything. So this is a beautiful lantern. Then there is a bed over here and 2 side tables. Then you can see you can keep the luggage over here. There's a high table as well. Over here there are 2 sofas and a small table where you can sit and drink a cup of coffee maybe. And here are the tea and coffee stuffs kept with water bottles. Here is a mini library. There are books. If you want, you can of course read books. This is the cupboard, so I'll just open the cupboard and show you. And this is a very beautiful light, guys. So yeah, let me just open the cupboard. Over here there are hangers, you can hang your clothes, and there's a locker where you can keep your important belongings. Here is another space. If you want, you can keep your stuffs over here. Now moving towards the washroom. So as you guys can see, it's a beautiful washroom, spacious. Over here there's a shelf kind of a thing. Towels are kept and you can hang your clothes. This is the shower area. So there's a shower and soap and all, body soap kept over here. And now the most unique part is the bathtub. So as you guys can see, it's a very antique and unique bathtub from very old times. So it's a beautiful thing. And over here there is a mirror and a wash basin, and this is me saying hello to you guys. And this is the wash basin, and beside it is the pan. And with this, the classic heritage room tour ends. This is a Zamindari suite, and as the name says, it shows the way the Zamindars used to live during that time. This is a beautiful chandelier, and I really liked it. There is a bed which was very high. We literally had to climb stairs to reach on top of it. Over here there are 2 sofas and a table, and over here there are tea and coffee stuffs kept along with water bottles. And as mentioned earlier, in that room, this is a very beautiful light. So another interesting thing which I really liked in this room is the cupboard. So this cupboard is very old and is made of Shegun Kath, which is very nice. So this thing I really found very interesting. Let me open it and show it to you guys. So it is spacious. You can hang your clothes over here. There's a locker where you can keep your important belongings, and there are spaces over here as well. This is a fridge, and this is a mini library. You can read books from here as it was there in the other room as well. So yeah, this is for the room. Now let me show you guys the washroom. The washroom is also very beautiful. Over here, when you enter the washroom, there's a wash basin, and then there are baskets and stuffs. This side is the shower area. So you can see the shower area is very different, not like the usual shower areas. So it is very beautiful. and it had an open roof. The sunlight used to come, so it was very nice and a different experience. And over there is the pan, and yeah, this is the washroom, guys. With this, our Zamindari suite room tour also ends. A quick glimpse of the room where the famous movie Chokher Bali was shot. As you guys can see, there are posters all over the room, and this room can also be rented, but I think you have to talk while booking. You have to mention it while booking, and if it's possible, they'll tell you whether you can rent it or not. And as you guys can see, it's a normal room. There are sofas kept, table, bed, almirah, cupboard, and yeah, a beautiful chandelier. So it is kept as it is. They are trying to maintain it, and of course you can you can go and visit this room when you're staying in the Rajbari Bawali. So yeah, it's a very beautiful room, and I thought I should include this as well. So that was it, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up. Also comment down below how did you like it. Share it with your friends and family, and also subscribe to my channel if you are new to my channel. It would really mean a lot. Thank you for watching, guys. See you soon in the next video. Bye bye.